Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use Max Holloway in UFC 4. To begin, understand that Max Holloway is a striking specialist, renowned for his relentless pressure and boxing prowess. He primarily operates from an orthodox stance, but can fluidly switch to southpaw. Your main goal should be to control the distance, leveraging his impressive 69-inch reach to keep opponents at bay while landing precise strikes. This foundational understanding is key to mastering his unique fighting style. Max Holloway's striking game thrives on combinations. Start with his signature jab cross, using R1 plus square then triangle on PlayStation, or RB plus X then Y on Xbox to open up your opponent. Don't forget to mix in powerful body shots and strategic leg kicks. These will gradually deplete your adversary's health and stamina over the course of several rounds. Remember, his 5-star striking rating means every landed blow carries significant impact. Defense is just as crucial as offense with Max Holloway. He possesses exceptional head movement, allowing him to skillfully slip incoming punches and immediately counter. Practice weaving and ducking by holding R2 or RT and moving the right stick to evade strikes. While his chin rating is an impressive 95, making him incredibly durable, avoiding unnecessary damage will preserve his health and stamina for later rounds, ensuring you stay in control. Max Holloway's greatest asset is his incredible stamina, enabling him to maintain a high-volume attack for all 5 rounds. Your game plan should revolve around relentless pressure, overwhelming your opponent with a continuous barrage of strikes. While it's tempting to go all out from the start, try to conserve a little stamina in the initial rounds. This strategic pacing ensures you have plenty left in the tank for a strong finish, especially in championship bouts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.